How's it going, everybody? We're out here at the VERNIA AIRSOFT right now in the middle of a match, 3v3. We just got taken out. They're about to go sneak up on somebody right now and what they call the trap house. I think they got him quartered. I'm not sure if they got him quartered or not. But yeah, guys, so this is Commander Kraken chiming in at the VERNIA AIRSOFT. Still got to 5 o'clock, guys. I'll come out and have some fun every Sunday, 8 to 5. Have some fun. Okay. He got them circling in on old boy in the house. He got him cornered.